All right, go ahead, Rich. Tell them what you do.
Yes, I am a HVAC technician. I go out to residential houses, making sure your house is and AC is running perfect. Please give me a call if you let me know that you need a AC service or new install, or anything. Let me know. I charge $100 just to come out to service and clean your system for the spring and fall. Please let me know. Hit me up.
And that's a great deal, y'all. $100 for the spring and the fall. All right. See you later. I'll put his info in the comments or in my caption.